on you. I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing this makeup look right here, and I'm going to be using some amazing new products from Catrice, collaborations with Eman. I'm so excited. I got some dewy spray, I actually got another blush, and I got a primer and a concealer. So I'm going to be using everything in this video with the Catrice Cosmetics, and if I don't have it, I will be using my products myself. So with that being said, let's get started on this video, and thank you so much, Catrice, for sending this stuff over. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, we're going to be creating this look right here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to my channel, I do weekly videos for you guys. And yeah, that's about it. As well as there will be a blog post on this makeup review with pictures and everything, and I will insert in the video, so be prepared for that. Yeah, so just head over to my blog, lifestyleofleslie.com, and you'll see all the beautiful pictures and all the full review, but I am getting a first impressions in this video, but it is really good. So, oh, did I give away? I don't know. But anyways, keep on watching, and let's get into this makeup look. Yeah, so you already saw from the intro, I got a bunch of beautiful makeup from Catrice, Shoppers Drug Mart, and Eman, a lot of that. So we're going to be using all the products that I have here, and then if I don't have it, I will be using other products. So yeah, but let's get into this makeup transformation because, girl, come on, we need help here. Okay. So to start off this look, I already have my face serum on. So now I'm going to take the primer, which is Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base Keep Me Matte. So I'm going to be putting this all over my face. So it comes out white. I'm going to just use that much. It smells like nothing. It doesn't smell florally. It's literally like unscented. And then with this, I'm going to be putting on my foundation. I'm just using some Fenty in the shade 190. So I'm going to be putting that on with a beauty blender, and I'm going to speed you guys up with that. Alright, perfect. Now that I got my base on, I'm going to be going in with the concealer that they sent. It is called High Coverage Concealer Liquid Camouflage from Catrice, and it is in the shade Honey 015. So we're going to be applying that all over under the eye. It's actually a not bad color. It's pretty light. Yep. I do prefer a little bit lighter, but it is in honey, so I feel like it'll be okay. Alright, let's blend it out. So after just looking at the primer's really good. It's not coming through my foundation, which some primers do. Oh, this stuff smells good. Wow. It's blending really nice. Looks really good. I like it. I don't think it's like super full coverage like it says, but I feel like it is buildable. I mean, if you had a little bit of darker circles, I feel like it... Well, I guess it covers. Yeah, looks pretty good. Not bad. I like it. I like it. And the smell, you guys, like, I don't even know if that's supposed to be a smell. It doesn't smell rotten or anything. It's like a pretty smell, and I don't like a lot of smells, and this smells pretty good. So anyways, moving on. So we have here a blush, cheeky blush palette, an eyeshadow palette, and a highlighter palette. So we don't have a bronzer. I don't want to use this blush because I feel like, I mean, it would be really dark, but I don't know if you can. Yeah, it's really Nah, that's not. All right, so I'm gonna take my bronzer and I'm just gonna be bronzing up the face ever so quickly. Okay, I have to do my brows and I forgot. So we'll do my brows off camera and then we'll be right back. All right, brows are on and ready to go. So I finished off bronzing my face. Now we're gonna go with the cheek palette, which is so gorgeous as you've seen. Still pretty. I am going to be mixing the top shades. top shades. So like I said, I'm gonna take Shisha and Alexandria. I feel like those are kids or something's names. So just a little bit. Ooh, it's very powdery. Kick up is a lot. So, ooh, you don't need that much. But I love a strong cheek, so I feel like that might be like crazy to people, but I love a strong cheek. Because then the blush falls off after, you know? Ooh, love it. Love. Yes. Okay, to highlighter. So these highlighters, oh my gosh. This is going to be my new favorite palette, you guys. Like, you have no idea. So I'm going to be taking, okay, there's Whistler, Victoria, Surrey, and Maple. Maple's a little too dark for me, so I'm going to take, should I take Whistler? I might take Victoria and Surrey. Maybe mix these three. Oh, that's a lot. Look how pretty that is. All right, let's do this. Ooh, I'm mad at that. You can see definitely Whistler coming out. Very icy. Wow, really pretty. So what I like to do all the time is I like to go back with my blush just so it's not so of a harsh line with like no product, just like the brush. Super gorgeous. Oh my god, I love this palette. Okay, now that we're done kind of like the face part, I'm going to come with me. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the gorgeous Eman blush palette. It is a lot of neutral tones. So I think I really like all these colors. So I'm going to definitely go in with Sunset first. So we're going to take Sunset, which is this middle shade right here. I'm just going to be taking a big fluffy brush and just kind of like to swirl it so I get some product, and then it kind of has a lot of pickup, as you can see. So tap it off. And I think I'm just going to do one eye first, and then I'll do the other one off camera just to save some time. So that's what we're going to put in the crease. And then now I'm going to take Renyon, I don't know how to say it, with another fluffy brush. Same thing. So just this shade on the side. This palette is gorgeous. Pretty sure it's still available. Okay, so this I'm just going to put all over the lid. I could definitely wear this every single day. Really, really like it. And then after that, I'm just going to go back in with that first brush with just a little bit more Sunset and just kind of go a little bit higher. Yeah. It blends really nice, y'all. Like, real nice. For the finale, I'm going to take a little bit of Sweetser. And this one will be at the end, but I'm going to take this one first. So I'm just going to do that on the outer corner. So it's kind of like bring it halfway and then into the crease. So I just want to darken You know what I'm saying? Darken that edge. Darken your edges, girl. I really like that. I like it a lot. I'm going to be taking a flat definer brush, just taking a Mulholland Drive. I guess that's where she lives, or she used to live. So I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to like go and dab on the outer corner and into the crease a little bit. You know what I'm saying? To darken that eye. Yeah. Darken that eye. And then I'm going to take that same color with Switzer, and I'm just going to blend that black upwards and just kind of flicking motions. And then I go back with the original brush, which is what we had, Sunset. I'm not going to add anything. I'm just going to blend everything out. I do want to make this a touch bit darker, so I think I'm going to just take a little bit of that, like a little bit of Mulholland. So I'm literally just going to take like a dabble. So like you can't even see it. Oh my gosh, you can't even see it. So it's like a little bit black. And then I'm going to add it. See, that's what I wanted, right? So I don't want to do too much. There you go, that's what I wanted. I wanted real intense. So yeah, I think I might go with Hollywood. It's more of a goldy shade. This one's more of a pinky shade. It's like Melrose, and then this is Laguna, which is more of an orangey shade. Should I go gold? Yeah, let's go gold. All right, we're going to Hollywood Boulevard, which I have been to. Okay, so it's coming up a little bit dull. We're going to vibrate it up with Laguna. I think that looks really, really nice. So I'm going to finish the look, like do the other eye off camera, and then I'm also going to do mascara. Am I doing liner? No, because I did the liner there. I'm going to put eyeliner in the waterline, and then I might come back with glasses. I might come back with lashes. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just quickly added on the eyeshadow palette, I added Fairfax on the brow bone, and I think it looks really, really nice. So I ended up just using some Kiss lashes that are in the style Pixie, and they're real gorgeous. So yeah, I really like this look. I was also sent a blush by itself, which is what I didn't use. I just really wanted to use the palette. So this one is in the shade Burgundy, and it's a gorgeous color. Ugh, this is perfect for winter, but I think with the look, I just wanted something a little bit more brighter, you know? So there's that. And then to finish off this face, we're gonna do lips. So like I said, we're gonna finish off with the lips. So they gave me a lip gloss, and it is in the shade Shimmery Goldstone. So I think I'm gonna put a lipstick as a base. I'm just gonna grab any lipstick that I have and just gonna put that on. Oh, sorry, you need to see it. Okay, this is kind of like a taupey brown, so it kind of matches my sweater, but I'm going to top it off with this lip gloss. Oh, that smells good. Kind of matches my outfit. It's really funny. And to finish off the face, since we are done, we are going to be going in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life, and I love the spray nozzle. It's not an aerosol, but it is a spray like that. But I feel like, yo, the smell is really good. It smells like the concealer, which is super crazy. So let's do it. Oh, oh, so good. Oh my God, look at that dew. So that is it, my friends. That is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below what you want to see next in the video. And thank you so much to Catrice for sending me all this beautiful makeup. I love it and I can't wait to play some more and do some different looks and use different highlighters and etc, etc. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!